For more than 20 years, Lincoln Tech's Rhode Island campus has been training students for rewarding careers in the healthcare industry. To help meet the region's growing demand for skilled trades professionals, we've expanded our program offerings to include electrical and electronics, HVAC, and welding training. Let's start our tour with a look at our healthcare training programs. If you're motivated to make a difference and want a faster, more focused path to a rewarding career, our dental assisting, medical assisting, and practical nursing programs may be a perfect fit for you. Training in dental assisting can help prepare you for a successful career promoting oral health. You'll gain the skills to assist dentists during a wide variety of procedures and help patients feel comfortable throughout their visit. Our program allows you to gain hands-on experience in key areas like preventive dentistry, diagnostics, pediatric and orthodontic care, surgical procedures, and dental radiology. To put your training into practice, you'll also participate in a 240-hour internship, giving you real-world experience before you graduate. As a medical assisting student, you'll train in a simulated doctor's office, gaining hands-on experience with the same equipment used in today's healthcare settings. From drawing blood, taking vital signs, and recording patient histories, to mastering the administrative side of running a medical practice, your training covers it all. An off-site clinical internship can help you apply and refine your skills in a real-world setting. And throughout your program, you'll actively prepare to sit for the Registered Medical Assistant exam, so you can graduate confident and career-ready. In our practical nursing program, you'll learn essential skills like administering medications, dressing wounds, and practicing infection control while building a strong foundation in anatomy and physiology. Training is hands-on, and many lessons use advanced patient mannequins that respond like real people. You'll also dive into pharmacology and practice IV techniques in a real lab. Once you've built core skills, you'll gain direct patient care experience at a clinical facility under the supervision of registered nurses. To help you take the final step toward your career, our program includes targeted preparation for the NCLEX, so you'll feel confident about passing the licensing exam for practical nurses. Let's switch over to our new skilled trades programs. Welders play a crucial role in industries like construction, agriculture, transportation, infrastructure, and more. Our welding and fabrication technology with pipe program immerses you in hands-on training with today's most in-demand processes. Your journey begins with the fundamentals, using virtual welding trainers supplied by Miller, an industry leader. These trainers allow you to build skills in a safe, innovative setting. Once you're ready to handle a torch, you'll move into welding booths, developing expertise in MIG, TIG, flux core, and stick welding, along with metal fabrication and key pipe techniques. You'll prepare for essential pre-qualification tests throughout your training. Passing these tests and holding certifications lets employers know your welds are up to industry standards. When you get into the field, hiring managers will see you're fully certified and ready to weld. Electrical and Electronic Systems Technology, or EEST training, can help you pursue a career maintaining the systems used in residential and commercial buildings, fire alarms, security monitoring, smart home integration, and more. You'll learn to install, troubleshoot, and repair these systems using professional equipment provided by Johnson Controls International. Training also includes preparing pathways for fiber optic cabling and working with conduits, switches, anchors, and more. These skills can give you a solid foundation as you launch your new career as an entry-level electrician. Our air conditioning, refrigeration, and heating systems technology program, also known as HVAC, prepares you to work with both residential and commercial climate control and refrigeration systems. You'll learn to perform energy audits and work with eco-friendly heating and cooling technologies using industry-standard equipment. With today's unpredictable weather, demand for talented HVAC professionals is stronger than ever. After graduating from our EEST or HVAC programs, you can apply for specialized training that can help accelerate your path to a new career. Leading employers like Johnson Controls International, Hussmann, and the Food Production Solutions Association offer advanced training programs at select Lincoln Tech campuses. At Lincoln Tech, all of our staff and team members, from admissions to education and financial aid to career services, are focused on your individual success. We assist students with financial aid through a number of grants and scholarship opportunities that are available to those who qualify. We also offer specialized services for veterans of the armed forces. We hope to see you soon at our Lincoln, Rhode Island campus. If you'd like to learn more, please visit our website at lincolntech.edu.